Alright everybody, time to blow up a Sundown Xv3 12 on a cab 45. We're running it at 1 ohm, and I'm just going to run a tone sweep, 50 to 10 hertz, and I'll probably just play around with the frequencies until I get mechanical failure on it. I doubt I'll be running full power out of this amp because it's free aired, but we'll see what it takes. I got another camera set up on the meters. We're going to be reading amps and volts, so at the end I'll calculate that and see how many watts we're putting out. So let's get it running. That's a little bit of excursion. Woo! Didn't even bottom out yet. Oh my god. Okay, I have no idea how it's taken that, but I'm gonna just play frequency only and see where we go with it. Alright, it's done.
Holy fuck.
Overcooked subwoofer.
Alright, I'll send this to you.
Oh yeah, let the factory smoke out. Oh yeah, she's solid. Alright, now she's ready to strip down so we can recone it. There's 650 down the toilet. Alright, see what happened to her. Oh, you know, I didn't want that to happen. I was really trying to fail it mechanically, but I got a little happy on the
4,218 watts.